So we will continue with our chemistry chapter. Yesterday we stopped with the first chemical property of alkyne. Today we will study the second chemical property of alkyne, addition reaction. Addition reaction, again you have already studied this in your 10th standard. Okay, so alkynes, when they undergo addition reaction, they will form alkenes. Okay, alkynes undergo addition reaction to form alkenes. So that means the triple bond will change into double bond. For example, suppose if you take an alkyne with a triple bond, if you add any compound HZ, okay, so what will happen? Hydrogen will be added to one carbon and this Z will be added to another carbon and the triple bond will change into double bond. So this will not take place all of a sudden, it will take place stepwise. First this H will attach to any one carbon. So suppose if the hydrogen is attaching to this carbon, the triple bond will change into double bond, this carbon bond. So if the carbon is having only 3 bonds, it will get a positive charge. So here H has gone outside, okay, so it will become Z minus. So now this positive and negative will attract and it will form CH double bond CZ bond. Okay, so this is how you will get the product. So in this addition reaction, there are many types of addition reaction. In this first addition reaction is addition of dihydrogen. Dihydrogen means what? Addition of H2, hydrogen. Okay, so when you add hydrogen to a triple bonded compound, this already you have studied in your 10th standard. Okay, what is the catalyst? Nickel catalyst. What will happen? One hydrogen will be added this side and another hydrogen will be added this side. So you will get CH2 double bond CH2. Again, if this undergoes addition reaction, what you will get?
CH3.
Yes, CH3 single bond CH3. Okay, so this is how it will take place. Can you write for propine? CH3 C triple bond CH. What you will get? If it is propine, you will get CH3 CH double bond CH2. Again, if you add another hydrogen, the presence of nickel catalyst, you will get CH3 CH2 CH3 propane. So this is the addition of dihydrogen. Okay. So the next one is addition of. So addition of hydrogen is called as hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. Next one is addition of halogens. Addition of halogens. Addition of halogens is called as what? Halogenation. So addition of halogens, it will form vicinal dihalides. Okay, vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides means what? The halogens will be added to next carbon. So for example, if it is CH triple bond CH and I am adding Br2. For understanding purpose, I am writing like this. Okay. So what you will get? Tell me. One Br will be added this side and another Br will be added this side. So what you will get? You will get CH Br double bond CH Br. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? Tell me. 1, 2 dibromo ethene. Okay, 1 comma 2 dibromo ethene. Suppose if I want to convert this into single bond, what I should do? Add another Br2. If you add another Br2, what will happen? One bromine will be added this side. Okay, already one bromine is there. Another bromine will be added and double bond will change into single bond. Okay, so addition reaction means alkynes will give alkenes. If you do the addition reaction further, these alkenes will form alkane. So what is the name of this one? What is the name of this compound? How many bromine is there? 4 bromine. So 2 bromine in the first position. So 1 comma 1. 2 bromine in the second position. 2 comma 2. So 1 1 2 2 tetrabromo ethane is the name of this compound. So the same reaction now you have to do. Those who are watching the video, pause the video and do it. Those who are sitting here, you do it now. The same thing you do for propine. So what will be your answer? First you should get propene with 2 bromine. Then you have to get propane with 4 bromines. Do it now. Next. அந்த லைட் போட்டா கிளார் அடிக்கும். லைட்டே வேணாம். Next, third one. Addition of hydrogen halides. So those who are watching the video, I should see the answer for this homework. Addition of hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides means what? Hydrogen with one halogen. So example, HBr, HCl, all these are hydrogen halides. So hydrogen with one halogen. So what is that process called as? This is hydrogenation, this is halogenation, this one hydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation. Hydrogen also will be added, halogen also will be added. Okay, so I will take one example. CH3 C triple bond CH. In this I am going to add HBr. So hydrogen will be added to one carbon and bromine will be added to another carbon. In which carbon hydrogen will be added and in which carbon bromine will be added? Markovnikov's rule. You studied, yes or no? Markovnikov's rule, what it is telling? The negative part of the atom molecule will add to the carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. So in this 2 carbon which is having less number of hydrogen, this one. So bromine will add to this carbon and hydrogen will add to this carbon. So what is the product you will get? CH3CBr double bond CH2. Now if I add one more HBr, what I will get? CH3CBr Br CH3. So what is the name of this compound? 2 comma 2 dibromo propane. What is the name of this compound? Second position I have bromine. So it is 2 bromo 3 carbons. So pro in first carbon double bond. So pro 1E. Okay. So this is the third type of addition reaction. Now the fourth one. In first one we added hydrogen. Second one halogen. Next one hydrogen halide. In fourth one we are going to add water. Addition of water H2O. Addition of water is called as hydration. Addition of water is called as what? Hydration. Now again, water, how it will divide? It will divide into H plus and OH minus. So again I am taking one example, CH3C triple bond CH plus H2O. I am adding water. So water, how it will divide? It will divide into H plus and OH minus. So which is the negative part? OH minus. So OH minus will add to which carbon? The carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. So what I will get here? CH3C OH will be added here. Okay, and I will get double bond CH2. I will be getting like this, right? Next, if I add one more H2O to this, what I will be getting? I will get CH3C OH OH single bond CH3. I will be getting like this. Understood? So what is the name of this compound? Prop. Okay, so prop single bond. So ane. Okay, in second position you have two alcohol groups. Okay, 2,2 diol. Propan 2,2 diol, or you can write 2,2 in the front and you can write 2,2 propan diol. Okay, understood? So for one OH, one 2, and for another OH, another 2. Okay, so two alcohol groups, so diol. Okay, so what will be the name of this one? Tell me. 3 carbons. So prop, double bond will get the first number. Prop 1 in, okay, 2 all. Prop 1 in 2 all will be the name of this compound. Understood? So propine vache we have done. So you do with ethyne, what you will get? Plus H2O. So what I will be getting? Hydrogen will be added one side and OH will be added another side, and triple bond will change into double bond. So what I will be getting? So here hydrogen I am adding double bond CH. Okay. OH will be added like this. Understood? So, what is the name of this compound? CH2 double bond CHOH. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons. So 2 carbons means it is eth. Double bond means ene, but alcohol group is present. So ethanol. What is the name of this compound? Ethanol. Okay, ethanol is different, ethanol is different. So now number, what number? First position dana, so no need to number. First position dana, both are in first position, so no need to number. One means no need to do. Okay, so this ethanol is very unstable. Ethanol is very unstable. So what will happen is it will undergo isomerization. It will undergo isomerization. Okay, isomerization. What will happen? So what is ethanol structure we got here? CH2 double bond CHOH. I have got like this. Yes or no? So what will happen is this bond will go here. Okay, this bond, what will happen? It will go here. Why it is undergoing isomerization? Because ethanol is very unstable. This bond will go here. So if this bond goes here, what will happen? Carbon already here it is having 2, 3, 4. If this comes here, it will become 5 bond. But carbon can have maximum only 4 bonds. So this bond will shift here. So what I will be getting? On top of CH2, this bond is shifting. So I will be getting minus charge. Double bond will change into single bond CH. double bond O, hydrogen will go outside as H plus. So this plus charge will be attracted by this minus charge. So I will get CH3 CH double bond O. So this is CHO group. CHO is what functional group? Aldehyde functional group. So it will undergo isomerization and it will form CH3 CHO. It will form ethanol. Understood? So it will not form ethanol. What we will be getting? Ethanol. Okay, so when water is added to ethyne, you will not get ethanol, you will get ethanol because of the isomerization. So this you can copy down in your rough column. So here for ethyne we got ethanol. Here we did for propine. Correct? For propine what we are getting? Propanol. Yes or no? Propanol and propan 2,2-diol. So we can also, this propanol. So here this ethanol is undergoing isomerization. Same way there is a chance for this propanol also to undergo what? Isomerization. So if propanol undergoes isomerization, we will not get this product. What product we will get, that we will do now. Okay. So CH3 C triple bond CH plus H2O, it gives. So OH will be added to which carbon? Which is having least number of hydrogen. So I will be getting CH3 COH, double bond will change into, triple bond will change into double bond. I will be getting CH2 like this. So now how this will undergo isomerization? So this is only this propanol, yes or no, which we got here. Yes. So here we added one more water molecule and we got this product. But there is a chance for this also to undergo isomerization like this, because this is also what? It is unstable. So if this undergoes isomerization, what we will get? So I am writing it here. CH3C double bond CH2 OH. So this bond will shift here. If this bond shifts here, carbon will get 5 bonds. So what will happen? This bond will shift on the top. So what I will be getting? CH3C double bond O single bond CH2 minus. This H plus will go outside. So this minus will attract this plus charge and I will get CH3 C double bond O CH3. What is this one? CO means it is ketone functional group. So I will be getting, if it undergoes isomerization, I will be getting CH3 C double bond O CH3. So this is propanone. Other name for propanone is acetone. Where is acetone used? It is used in nail polish remover. Okay. Understood, Aditya?
Yes, sir. I said yes.
Okay. So this is how you will get. So if ethyne undergoes hydration, we are getting aldehyde, and if propine undergoes hydration, we are getting ketone. Okay, these two are important things. So what are the addition we saw today? Addition of hydrogen, addition of halogen, addition of hydrogen halide, addition of water. One more addition is there that we will see in the next class.